गाइस वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल काशवी के घर से। और आज काशवी के घर में एक पॉडकास्ट हम लोगों ने प्लान किया है। पॉडकास्ट ऑफ अबाउट नो मोर अबाउट अस। लाइक ये दोनों हमारे वीडियोस में काफ़ी आपने देखे होंगे, हमारे शॉर्ट वीडियोस में देखा होगा। एंड इसीलिए मैं इन दोनों को आपके सामने लाया हूँ जस्ट टू प्रेजेंट देम। मतलब लाइक वो लोग और अपनी इंटरनल चीज़ें आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे, उनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, कुछ फ़नी क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग होंगे। एंड आप लोग इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा ताकि आप लोग जज कर पाएँ कि इन दोनों में से बेस्ट कौन है। ठीक है, सो द टॉपिक इज़ नो मोर अबाउट अस। अस means Riya and Arush. So we'll start with Riya. We'll ask few.
मैं आपको एक बात बतानी है। अच्छा जैसे बटरफ्लाई दिखाते हैं, एक बार आप हमारा केकड़ा भी देख लो। सॉरी मकड़ा।
ये अभी से ही शुरू हो गया गाइस। सो लाइक रिया, हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल काशवी के घर से। वेलकम टू काशवी के घर। घर में आपका स्वागत है। और हम रिया से कुछ फ़नी क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे गाइस। तो अगर आपको ये फ़नी क्वेश्चंस पसंद आए तो बिल्कुल हमारे इस वीडियो में कमेंट कीजिएगा। और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर बिल्कुल करिएगा। और प्लीज़ अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करिए। सो रिया, फॉर यू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट्स द फनीस्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू यू रिसेंटली?
Recently?
Yeah, recently. Recently meaning like within a month or something.
In a month or something.
Yeah.
I think it's when I was going school.
Yeah.
I was in auto. My one friend, she was drinking water and we just split it out and like bottle. She split it on my another friend. From the
Oh,
mouth went to the.
that was too funny, na?
We were burst with laughter.
Okay.
So I think that was the funniest thing I have.
Oh, great,
Ever.
great, great. So guys, अगर आपको रिया का आंसर पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करिएगा. So the second question is, if you could have any superpower, what would it be and why would you use it for mischief? Like अगर आपको कोई सुपर पावर दे दी जाए तो आपको कौन सी सुपर पावर चाहिए एंड आप उसको किस चीज़ में यूज़ करेंगे?
There are many, but if I say so, to go in the
Like
past.
कौन सी चीज़ को करेक्ट करने में, द मिसचीफ, मतलब लाइक
To go in the past.
okay, you want the power, super power to go in the past.
Yes.
Okay.
And I will correct all the bad things that I have done and make my future better.
That means we have done some bad things also, guys. So notice this, huh?
Some things are there which I have not gone. What very bad.
Okay, so you want to clear all the negative things that you have done in your
Yes.
past. And okay, so that's a nice answer from Ria's side. The next question is, Ria, what's the weirdest food you have ever eaten?
Weirdest food
Yes.
I have ever eaten.
Guys, note this question. You'll like it.
My friend one time when the canteen was there when I go to school, 5 rupees cake was there. Yes, it was when I was in 6th class. Me and my friend tried that. It was like a very bad medicine. Taste was not like medicine.
Yeah, medicine taste.
Yes, very weird.
बुखार की दवा जैसा.
We wanted to vomit when we first tasted.
So what was the time when did you have that food?
Maybe 6 months or 1 year.
Ago. Okay.
And right now also the taste is.
Okay, you are having that taste in your
Yes.
mouth right now. So guys, like if you like this answer, just like this video, please. Okay, next question is, what's your favorite way to spend a day off? मतलब like अगर if you have a holiday, what's your favorite way to spend that day?
Firstly, I will do my hobbies thing which I like the most. I will sing the song or I will dance or I will do acting.
That means
The things which I like
the
the
hobbies of Riya are dancing, singing.
Acting and there are more. But
There are more.
Dance? How to do?
I do freestyle
Well, Arush,
dance.
I'll come to you.
I do freestyle dance, you know so.
Okay. So guys, just keep in mind, Riya is answering some like difficult questions in a very simple way, huh? Favorite book or movie?
Movie, I don't think there's any, but
That means Riya
motivational
don't
movies-
watch movie.
Motivational movies, I think I will prefer them. And books,
But I'm asking about favorite movie and favorite book. The favorite is one only, guys. Like
the favorite, I can't say that, but Goosebumps right now I like the most. I
Okay.
really read them.
okay, great. So your next question is favorite subject in school.
There's no favorite subject.
Because you don't like the school only. Why?
Oh.
Why are you wasting the money?
Oh my god. Because I'm good in everything. That's why there's no favorite subject.
that can be a point, Arush. That
Because
can be
I'm
a
good in
point.
everything.
She's good in every subject.
जिंदा करते हैं.
Yeah. So Riya, your next question is: if you could be any age, if you could be any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose?
21st when I'm in my 20s.
No. I'm not asking about the past years that you have मतलब like आपके जो पुराने मतलब अभी आप कितनी एज की है आपकी एज
Right
क्या
now
है?
I'm 13.
13. She is 13 and like अभी 0 से 13 तक what could you be any age मतलब like कौन सी एज में आप रहना चाहते हो for rest of your life?
For the rest of
Yeah.
my
मतलब
life.
like ये 13 साल में कौन सा ऐसा साल गया है जो आपको लगता है कि वो मेरा बेस्ट ईयर था और मैं वैसी ही उतनी ही रहना चाहती हूँ for rest of my life? There's
No,
nothing. So
there's
it is
nothing.
irrelevant question, guys. So ठीक है. Favorite animal?
Rabbit.
Huh?
Rabbit.
Okay, you love rabbit.
No, I can't.
Okay, so next last question for Riya is celebrity. अगर कोई celebrity को आपको best friend बनाना है तो किसको बनाएंगे?
तमन्ना.
Excuse me.
Yes, तमन्ना.
The question is for me.
The question is for
The
her.
question is for me.
And let her answer the question.
There are celebrities whom I prefer to most, but I think it would be Anushka
Salman
Sen.
Khan.
Yeah,
Anushka?
Sen.
Anushka Sen. I don't know who is Anushka Sen, guys.
Yes.
Okay,
She's not that
she
much
might be a
popular.
good celebrity. That's why she want to make her a best friend.
She's not because
Because she is the first one to whom I have
Okay.
thought of becoming a.
Okay, she's your inspiration.
Yes.
Okay, what would you do on Mars for fun?
On Mars,
Yes.
this is the last question, but
No, I have many questions to
I
ask.
will jump.
You'll jump on Mars, but on Mars there is a very less gravity, so automatically you will jump. So, like anything else that you can do on Mars?
I will make my castle there. Live there for the whole of my life with the oxygen.
but you
Okay,
want
great.
the karigars.
What cargos?
Workers.
I will take them with me.
Oh, the cost will become very high.
Okay, so that was nice talking to Riya. I think आपको रिया के बारे में कुछ नई चीज़ें पता चली होंगी जो आपको रिया के बारे में नहीं पता चली थी. So thank you Riya for answering our questions and interacting with the people around. So
Questions खत्म हो गए?
no, I have many questions, but I have some questions
नहीं,
for
मुझे लगा
this
कि-
fellow also because he was very much jumping in between our
No,
conversation.
I was thinking you will take 100 of questions from me, so.
Okay, you want more questions and
No,
we can.
it's fine.
No,
We
it's
can
fine.
definitely.
fine.
Okay. So thank you guys. Now we'll meet you after a short break, and thank you for this question answer round.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome back to काशवी
guys,
के घर
I'm
से,
back.
and now it's time to ask questions with this fellow. His name
Yeah,
Arush.
bro. Do you think that I'm a fellow?
Why you sitting like that?
Because I want to do the eye contact with you.
But you don't have to do eye contact with me. You have to
I
just show
want
this
to.
to your audience, na?
That's right.
It is not personalized questions. It is just to
so
interact.
camera is there, no?
Arey yaar, he's arguing.
No,
he want to do.
okay. No problem. I have to adjust.
Okay, great. So, do you want to answer my questions or not?
Yeah, I will.
You're ready?
Yeah.
So, आरुष है. आरुष से हम पहला क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. So, Arush, it's a funny question. What color is your toothbrush?
आपके पेज पे नमक है.
I'm asking what color is your toothbrush?
Toothbrush. Blue and blue.
Why it is blue?
Because it's my favorite color.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But initially you told me that red is your favorite color.
Who said?
You said.
I don't like the red color.
Guys, he's a very big paltu, no?
Good. Why
So don't, please don't be serious on his answers. So your second question is, what? I'm sorry, guys.
Guys, see, you
This
can
should be
see
removed
that
from the video.
cheating.
Guys, so his second question is, are you a morning or a night person?
Means? Can I understand?
Well, this question is irrelevant for him. The next question is, what is your favorite summer activity?
Summer activity, always cricket and sometimes swimming because in water we can. Yeah.
Have you ever gone swimming classes?
Yeah, I have gone. In our
Why you are
in our school-
arguing?
in
Right
our
now
school-
I'm...
Irritated me so much between my conversation with you.
In our school we have a swimming pool, so
Okay, great. Who is your favorite superhero and why?
superhero is father, bro.
I'm asking about superhero. I know your father is your superhero,
Yeah,
but
he
if you are asked to choose a superhero out of the superheroes के नाम कुछ
Do you know
बताइए.
superheroes?
Spider-Man,
Yeah, I know.
Batman,
Mr.
Shaktiman.
America.
Yeah. So what would you choose?
Hanuman.
Who is your favorite superhero and
Hanuman.
why? Why? You have
Hanuman.
to answer it why.
Hanuman.
Arey why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because he's the best. He has a power. He can save us. He can save us from everything. He is the greatest saver.
You are saying.
But what are the special qualities that your Superman is having?
You are saying Hanuman is your superhero.
Yeah.
Do you know Hanuman Chalisa? Yes, bro. Do
Do you know? First
Yes,
first
I
you
know. I read it every day.
But guys, we are not asking about right now going inside the Hanuman Chalisa.
I know, but I can't say.
But if
because
Hanumanji is your favorite superhero, why would you fall in that Hanuman Chalisa short video shooting?
she only got jumped in this.
I was not done.
No. I'm asking you that Hanumanji is your favorite superhero,
Yes.
right? So when we were shooting for that shot of Hanuman Chalisa, we were shooting for Hanuman Chalisa shot, and Aksh was saying, मैं आपको हनुमान चालीसा
मैं तो
सुनाना चाहती हूँ.
चाहता हूँ.
Why उस दिन आप गिर क्यों गए थे?
मैं जो आपने मेरे जस्ट लेफ्ट साइड में गोपाल नाम का एक बच्चा देखा होगा, वो मेरा दोस्त है. वो जस्ट उसने उसने उसका पैर अड़ा दिया था, तो मैं यूं गिर गया.
Okay.
मतलब मैं
But
जानबूझ
आपको-
के नहीं गिरा था.
जानबूझ के नहीं गिरे थे. It
उसका
was
पैर
accident.
अड़ा था, वो एक्सीडेंटली था और वो एकदम ही था. तो वो पैर अड़ने के बाद ही हुआ था जो हुआ था.
Good evening, sir. So guys, welcome back again. हम लोग ब्रेक काफ़ी ले रहे हैं. I'm sorry. And अगला क्वेश्चन हम आरुष से पूछते हैं कि what is your favorite joke?
My favorite joke.
Yeah.
You are only a joke.
Yeah, I am a joke only.
You are only a joke.
He's a joke.
Yeah, you are right. I am a joke.
But right now, like, be serious
No.
and just answer. It's a joke that you are a joke. It's your favorite joke.
Yeah.
He is a joke. What an answer. Wow.
Where would you go if you were invisible?
I will go to the Dubai and I will sit in Vistara flight, but I can sit now also. But I don't want to sit. And I will purchase my own plane. And I will beat anyone.
But for purchasing own plane, you need a good amount. By just being
I will
invisible.
go to the bank and then I will take the monies. I'm just joking. Don't take
But
serious.
if you go invisible, how could these things be possible?
How you will enjoy that thing? Just
Right now, my question. I think Arush को ये question समझ नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, मेरे को समझ में
I
आया.
just asked him what
Dad,
would
अगर आप
you
इनविजिबल हो
do?
जाओगे तो आप क्या करना चाहोगे? जो भी आपको
Where
करना
would you go? आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे?
मैं I will visit the full world.
Whole world.
Whole world.
Full world. What a English, guys.
Guys, whole world.
So, guys,
Whole world.
hope you are enjoying this podcast with us. Okay, tell me, how many books have you read so far this year?
He is not
Only
a
auto
any?
cards.
No, any.
sense of asking this question.
Only auto card book.
No sense of
One
asking
book.
this
One
question.
book.
Guys, मतलब like मैं आपको रोकना चाहूँगा. He said only auto car books. That means आरुष ने अपना syllabus खोला भी नहीं है, guys.
अभी नहीं है.
I asked him how many books have you read this year.
अरे तो ये पूछना चाहिए ना, मेरे को लगा लाइब्रेरी की बुक. I think that library book.
अरे why this study is running again and again. Stay,
Stay
man,
there,
stay.
bro.
This shows that you are not a reader. In library also you don't read any books.
No.
Yes.
Okay, let me
I
ask
read only
you.
the auto cards book.
Autocars or autobiographies.
Let me ask you.
I know
Let
about
me ask you.
autocars.
Let me ask you the
Yeah.
same question what I have asked her second time. If you could have any superpower, what would it be, and why would you use it for mischief? मतलब like किस चीज के लिए यूज करोगे? If you have any superpower,
If I will be having any superpower,
what power it would be?
the power will the power will increase my hand power also, and my eyesight power, my running power.
Are you lost of your mind?
Are you off your nuts?
What the hell?
What was that?
Off your nuts? Are you
I
आपके
think
nuts
he's
से
out
ढिल्ला
of
हो?
his mind, guys. Okay, the questions what we are asking, he's not understanding, and he's
I know, but
he's
I'm just
replying
joking.
something else,
I'm
guys.
just joking. I'm just joking.
We are not joking here. We are
But I'm
doing a
joking.
serious podcast right now, and audience
Serious?
want to know about you from inside, like know more about you. So how they would be knowing if you're not answering it properly, right?
Ah.
I will now.
We don't know anything.
Okay, it's a funny podcast, guys. So don't take it so मतलब like seriously. So what would you admire the most?
Can you once more explain this?
Do you know the meaning of empire?
What would you admire the most?
I want to ask it. Which type of admirer I want to?
Who do you admire the most? Sorry, my question was wrong. Who do you admire the most?
Arya.
You what?
Why?
What? Why?
Any reason? What he's doing, guys? What he's doing, guys? No. This is not a like Bhavtav wali class. He's not staying, guys. You're making it so funny.
Arya, set. Sit there only.
Now it's
Stay. Okay, so what we asked him?
why would he admire the most? Why wouldn't he admire me the most?
I think he don't know the meaning of admire. Right? Right, he don't know the meaning of admire.
I know.
Guys, he don't know the meaning of admire. Do you know, guys, admire meaning? Please comment.
Admiring me.
Comment section में comment करिए. Well, we'll go for another question. Favorite book?
Arya, first tell me the meaning.
No, the audience will tell you.
Our audience. Reply fast.
What's the weirdest food you have ever eaten?
Sushi.
What?
Sushi.
Sushi. Where
Yeah.
have you eaten that?
I have gone to the one party and they were.
Why do we use the all the time?
Because he don't know how to.
I have gone to the one party. What is that?
Yeah, I have gone.
The audience is disturbing us, guys. आप लोग को हंसना है while we are asking questions. You just have to laugh.
Hey. Like this.
One more.
Okay, so I think this is enough with him.
No, I want to answer more questions.
You want to answer more questions?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so your next question is, if you could buy any type of food, what would you buy?
Junk food? Healthy.
Welcome back again. Now we have shuffled our cameraman to Arush and Arush to our cameraman. So, what's your name? हमारे audience को बताइए.
Aksh.
अक्ष सो आपने इनको भी हमारे कई सारे वीडियोस में देखा होगा गाइज। तो हम इनसे भी कुछ फनी क्वेश्चंस आज पूछते हैं और ये उनका क्या आंसर देते हैं वो हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे। सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम जॉब?
It's not a job. It's like it is a sports. I want to become a cricketer.
Okay, you want to become a cricketer. I'm not asking you your like future things that you want to be or something. I'm asking your favorite job right now, like being a big brother, being a studious student, being a good son of your mother, or something else. The jobs that you do in your routine life, that I'm asking you.
To complete all the tasks what my mother gives to me.
We also want to know, guys. He's coming again and again. What did you answer?
What the family needs to be complete. I would like to complete that.
The needs of your family. You want to like fulfill the needs of your family.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay. Next question is, what is your favorite hobby?
To play cricket.
Now he came to the point, and that what he want to say in the first question, guys. He want to say that he want to be a cricket man or a cricketer. So that's his hobby. He want to be a cricketer, and he plays cricket. Well, describe yourself in 3 words. Beta, it's not your viva. Don't be so like nervous. You can just answer in your in any kind that you want to.
A cricketer. Again.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Words.
May I help you? May I help him?
Yeah, you can.
Best cricketer. Is
Yeah,
that okay?
in 3 words.
Best cricketer.
That only is the answer you shouldn't be given.
First word, best. Second word.
Okay, if you could get yourself anything, what would you get? If you could get yourself anything, what could you get? What would you get?
I could get more things for cricket that
Yeah, his whole thing starts with the cricket and ends on the cricket. Okay, let me ask you some question.
Din Raat.
Favorite school memory?
favorite. The sir, when we go in sports class and do any mistake.
Pardon?
When we go in sports class, when we do any mistake, the sir slaps. It is
Sir slaps?
most remember.
What a funny answer it is.
Most rememberable.
Most memorable.
Yeah.
So when he has been like punished, he has been punished is the school memory, favorite school memory. So guys, he want to be punished every day because the memory he that is his favorite is that only that he should be punished every day. Okay, that's your memory, favorite memory, no?
It's my memory.
I'm asking about your favorite school memory. Is it your favorite school memory?
No.
Then, like when his teacher slaps him,
No.
is his favorite memory, guys.
Bunking the school.
नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, you may answer it on now.
So, yeah. No answer?
Okay.
Are favorite school memory?
Can I tell?
No, let it be. Your turn has over.
On that time, because on the board.
On sports day, full day doing nothing in the school.
And just
Okay, on
just like
sports day when they don't want to do anything else.
I like sports.
Okay, he is a sports person, so he likes only sports. What's the funniest thing that happened to you recently?
Recently.
Don't tell about cricket. We are afraid of cricket now.
No cricket, not.
So then tell the funniest thing that happened to you recently.
Recently. So I don't remember it.
You don't remember it.
You're short of remembering.
He's short of remembering.
Of the nets.
What's the weirdest food? The same question that I have asked Arush and Riya. What's the weirdest food you have ever eaten?
I have eaten the. What?
Weirdest. Are you getting my questions?
Yeah.
First tell me. What's... Yo bro, he want to have a lemon tea with me. So while we are going through the podcast, hi bro. है ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं कर रहे हम पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं बच्चों के साथ. चल चाय की जगह चाइनीज खाने चल दे. खाना तो हमने भी खा लिया पर चाइनीज खाने की इच्छा थी. चल तेरे साथ लेमन टी पी आता हूँ फिर उसके बाद चाइनीज खाने चला जाऊंगा बच्चों के साथ. चल कब तक आ रहा है? ठीक ठीक. Are you still on recording? You idiot.
Oh, I remember now. The my funniest thing.
Okay now. Okay, the funniest thing that happened to you recently.
We talked recently, and there is a Didi which laughs like. He shifts his gear. I think that.
Do you get his answer?
No, I can't. No, like this.
What do you want to answer?
The Didi.
The funniest thing that happened to you recently.
You are telling that
Yeah.
this one Didi. She laughs and
Guys, are you enjoying this podcast? Yeah? Are you not getting bored now? So, favorite animal?
Animal.
Don't tell about cricket here.
How can
I don't know. You can add a cricket here also. He can add cricket here also. He will say that on the ground I saw one chipkali or one chuha. He was my favorite.
Only
animal.
dogs come on cricket ground.
Pardon?
Only dogs come on cricket ground.
Only dogs come on. So you
Sometimes
love
snakes
cricket.
also come.
So you love dogs.
Yeah.
Look, cricket से हो गया ना relate.
No, this is
Yeah.
from
guys.
cricket, not from
Okay, so
teacup dogs.
it's the last question of a day. What's your favorite way to spend a day off? I think again he will answer the same. He want to play cricket. Cricket is my life. Cricket. Nothing else.
No study.
I have asked a question. Answer me.
To go and spend time with family.
So that too you do every day.
every day we do that.
But outside.
But
Anywhere.
outside?
But to roam anywhere. Places,
Go to places.
famous places.
Okay. So he want the day off should be spent with his family, go for any outings or something, and they could enjoy. So guys, clap for all three of them. They enjoyed it. Hope they enjoyed this podcast and hope to see you guys in the next podcast session of Kashvi ke Ghar Se. And if you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video and please subscribe to our channel. It's Kashvi ke Ghar Se and हम हैं काशवी के घर से, काशवी के
घर से.
घर से.
Bye.
Bye bye.